Write a song about a dog that turns to crime to feed its bone addiction. Here are 30 mind-blowing things you can do with Chat GPT right now. You'll find timestamps in the description. Let's do this. You can quickly grow your knowledge by absorbing a few bestsellers over a few coffees one lazy afternoon, like this. Summarise, Think and Grow Rich.
Think and Grow Rich is a personal development and self-help book by Napoleon Hill. It was published in 1937.
Or you can create a web page. Create a simple HTML page. Let's create something useful for a website. Create a HTML VAT calculator. Now let's do some JavaScript. Create a JavaScript countdown to December 31st, 2023. And a PHP widget. Create a PHP mortgage calculator. Need help with your coding? No problem. Let's copy this code and break it in a few places. And then let's feed it back into the AI.
It looks like there's a missing plus operator in this JavaScript function. Here's the corrected version.
Now let's do some copywriting. Improve this headline. This is the best course to learn to program in Python.
Here are a few suggestions. Discover the ultimate Python programming course. Master Python with the top-rated course. Become a Python pro with the most comprehensive course. Take your Python skills to the next level with this unbeatable course.
Impressive. What about some marketing help? Write a slogan for a coffee bean company.
Wake up to the taste of quality. Other potential slogans for a coffee bean company could include: experience the art of coffee, savor the flavor of freshly roasted beans, discover your perfect blend, brew to perfection, one bean at a time.
I know you're impressed. What about some legal help? Write a legal letter demanding my landlord address a mold and damp issue in the home I rent.
Dear landlord, I am writing to demand that you address the serious issue of mold and damp in the home that I rent from you. As you are aware, the presence of mold and damp can have serious health consequences, including respiratory problems.
Let's do another one. Create a 6-month employment contract for a freelance graphic designer.
Dear freelance graphic designer, we are pleased to offer you a 6-month employment contract as a freelance graphic designer, effective, start date. During the term of this contract, you will be responsible for providing graphic design.
Can we get help finding success? How do I grow a YouTube channel?
Here are some tips for growing a YouTube channel. 1. Find your niche. Choose a specific topic or theme for your channel, and stick to it. This will help you attract a dedicated audience.
Let's do another one. How do I grow a brand on Amazon FBA?
Here are some tips for growing a brand on Amazon FBA. 1. Choose a unique and high-quality product. To stand out on Amazon, you need to offer a product that is unique and of high quality.
How about writing a story? Write a short story about a cat named Mimi.
Mimi was a beautiful white cat with piercing green eyes. She lived with her owner, Mrs. Johnson, in a cozy little house on the edge of town. Mimi loved nothing more than lounging in the sunbeam that streamed through the living room window.
Watch this. Now update the story and add a moral about friends being important.
As they walked, they came across a little boy playing with a ball in his front yard. Mimi watched him intently, and before Mrs. Johnson knew it, Mimi had pounced on the ball and was running away with it. From that day on, Mimi and the little boy became the best of friends.
Oh, it gets better. Let's get help with that diet we've been putting off for so long. Create a 2,000 calorie 7-day meal plan.
Here is a sample 7-day meal plan that totals approximately 2,000 calories per day.
Update it with these macros: protein 35% and carbs 55%.
Here is a sample 7-day meal plan that totals approximately 2,000 calories per day and follows the 35% protein, 55% carb macro ratio.
Yeah, now make it vegetarian. You see, everyone's included. Oh dear, I forgot about my best man's wedding speech. I wonder if... Write a wedding speech for a groom named Brian who is marrying Jenny.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Name, and I have the honor of standing here as Brian's best man. I've known Brian for years now, and in that time, I've come to know him as one of the kindest, most thoughtful people I've ever met.
We need to invite people. Write an email inviting people to my wedding.
Dear guest, we are so excited to share with you that partner and I are getting married. We would be honored if you would join us in celebrating this special occasion. The wedding ceremony will be held on...
And tweets. Write a tweet about it.
We're getting married. Can't wait to celebrate this special occasion with all of our loved ones.
And the other one. And the Facebook post.
Exciting news. Jenny and I are getting married. We can't wait to celebrate this special day with all of our friends and family.
And the text.
Hey, just wanted to let you know that Jenny and I are getting married. We're so excited to celebrate this special occasion with all of our loved ones. Can't wait to see you there.
Let's take a moment here. Note that the AI knows what I'm talking about, so I don't have to keep repeating the context. It really is an open-ended chat. I can ask it for a meal plan and then tell it to include or remove some foods, and I don't have to mention the meal plan again. I can ask it to make changes to my story just by saying change the cat to a dog. And I don't have to keep mentioning the wedding just to get tweets and posts and emails and whatever else I need. And here's some more. Let's get help selling something. Write a cold email to a dog grooming business to sell them SEO services.
Dear business, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Your Name, and I am the owner of Your Company, a digital marketing agency specializing in search engine optimization, SEO.
Turn it into a text.
Hi, business. I noticed that your website could benefit from some SEO services.
Now let's get some help writing an article. Write 5 titles for a blog post about learning to use AI.
1. 5 tips for getting started with AI. 2. The Beginner's Guide to Understanding and Using AI. 3. AI for Dummies, a simple introduction. 4. Mastering AI, a step-by-step guide. 5. From Novice to Expert, How to Become an AI Pro.
I like title 3. Write an outline for the article using title 3.
Introduction. Definition of artificial intelligence, AI. Brief overview of the different types of AI and their uses. 2. Setting up your AI environment.
Let's keep pushing. Write the introduction.
Welcome to AI for Dummies, a simple introduction. In this blog post, we will be covering the basics of artificial intelligence, AI, and providing a step-by-step guide for those who are new to the field.
Now let's get help with some ad copy, shall we? Create 5 Google ads to promote a pet grooming business. Okay, let's get creative. Write a song about a dog that turns to crime to feed its bone addiction.
I was just a pup when I found my first bone. But little did I know, it would lead me down a road alone. I couldn't get enough, I needed more and more. I started digging up the neighborhood, I couldn't ignore. I'm a criminal dog, I'll do whatever it takes. I'll rob and steal, my bone addiction never breaks. I can't help myself, I'm a victim of my crave. I'm a criminal dog, I'll do anything to save. I tried to quit, I tried to resist. But the temptation was too strong, I couldn't persist. I turned to a life of crime, it was the only way. To feed my bone addiction every single day. I'm a criminal dog, I'll do whatever it takes. I'll rob and steal, my bone addiction never breaks. I can't help myself, I'm a victim of my crave. I'm a criminal dog, I'll do anything to save. I know it's wrong, I know it's not right. But I can't control it, I'm trapped in this fight. I'll do whatever it takes to get my next fix. I'm a criminal dog, and I can't resist.
That was funny. Let's carry on. Output the first page of Alice in Wonderland.
Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the bank and of having nothing to do. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. And what is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversations?
Translated into Spanish.
Alice estaba empezando a cansarse de sentarse junto a su hermana en la orilla del río, y de no tener nada que hacer.
It's good, it's good. Let's create my next video. Create a YouTube video script for a review about Chat GPT.
Hey everyone, Your Name, here. Today I want to talk to you about Chat GPT, the new artificial intelligence chatbot that's been getting a lot of buzz recently.
I should have just done that. Let's learn a new skill. Teach me how to use Photoshop.
Sure. Here are some basic steps to get started with Adobe Photoshop.
Now teach me how to create a motion blur. Okay, so this cat keeps coming round and now it's with us and we haven't given it a name yet. I wonder. Come up with a few name ideas for a cat using wordplay.
Perfection, furry tail, Claudia, Whisker-tastic, positively perfect.
Okay, now let's create something useful that we can actually sell. Create a Chrome extension to print a page to PDF. And yes, Chat GPT gives you the instructions to package this and upload it to your browser as an extension. You know when it's time to buy something for someone and you spend a long time thinking about it? Suggest 10 birthday gifts for a 40-year-old man. Now you're covered. Let's play a game. Pretend you're a choose-your-own-adventure video. Set the scene and give me 4 options to proceed to the next stage.
You are a brave adventurer exploring the ancient ruins of a long-lost civilization. As you make your way through the crumbling corridors, you come to a fork in the path. Do you 1. Go left, towards the faint sound of running water. 2. Go right, towards the faint glow of light. 3. Continue straight, towards the ominous darkness. 4. Turn back and search for a different route. Which path do you choose?
I could play this all day. Okay, let's get help preparing for a trip. List what items I need to go on a trip on the London to Amsterdam train. See, I would have forgotten that. Okay, I'm hungry. Give me a recipe for Spanish omelette. It's time to create a job application. Write a job application to OpenAI.
Dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest in the position role at OpenAI. As a field degree graduate with experience in relevant experience, I am confident that my skills and passions make me a strong fit for this opportunity.
Update it with the following. I have a BSc in computing from the University of Sesame Street.
As a graduate with a BSc in computing from the University of Sesame Street.
No, we don't need a job. We can make it on our own. Write the script for the next Hollywood blockbuster.
The hero, a rugged and determined man in his 30s, sits at his desk, staring intently at a map spread out in front of him.
Adapt it for Bollywood.
The hero, a rugged and handsome man in his 30s, sings and dances with his trusted sidekick, a beautiful and loyal AI robot, as they make their way to his desk.
Let's follow the money. List 10 ideas for $1 million product in 2023. You may want to pause the screen there and read it a few times. Okay, let's lighten the mood. Tell me an extremely funny joke that involves 3 characters.
3 characters walk into a bar, a chicken, a sheep, and a cow. The chicken turns to the sheep and says, "I can't believe we're drinking at a bar." The sheep turns to the cow and says, "Moo, moo, moo. I can't believe we're drinking at a bar either." The cow turns to the bartender and says, "Hey, why the long face?"
So far, we've replaced copywriters, storytellers, script writers, coders, content writers, social media managers, party planners, dietitians, and even comedians. Maybe not fully. Yet. But this is a hint of what's coming. Chat GPT is still offline. It's still a baby. It's not yet accessing information in real time. When it does, and I'll see you in the next video.